Good morning. This is the bubble map that we began in class today for the expository essay about why it's necessary to take a chance. So these are all the L2 words we came up with that we thought might work. So the first thing we did for our introduction is to come up with a hook. Not all chances that we take turn out good. Some are disastrous. And then we have a thesis. And then our first body paragraph. So we've got some options. Depends on what our thesis statement is. Okay? So we can discuss examples of chances we've taken that are good, or that have turned out good. And remember, if I'm writing, you're writing. Okay, so could be a boyfriend, could be a girlfriend. Maybe it was a pet. So let's write those down. Maybe it was the chance you took in saying yes to play sports. Okay. Maybe it was the chance you took that inspired someone else. Alright, now I'm going to take my highlighter and I'm going to highlight good. Okay. Now you'll notice these are not specific. At this point, because I don't have a thesis yet, I don't have anything specific, right? Okay. So for my second body paragraph, draw another leg on our little spider here. Make him have a little bit more balance. Look, I was going to write spider. So we can write about chances we've taken that have failed. Okay. Again, could that be a boyfriend or a girlfriend? Could that be sport? When I was in junior high, I decided I wanted to try out for basketball. Yeah, it didn't go so well. But I took the chance. I wouldn't have known that I was not really very good at sports had I not taken that chance. So, could I write about that time that I tried out for basketball? I sure could. Okay? But the point is that for your next paragraph, obviously it needs to be something else. Okay? Does it have to be failed? Absolutely not. If you have more examples of chances that have turned out really well for you, great. But don't forget, you've got all these great L2 words that you can use. Okay? So I would expect to see some of these in your essay. Okay? This made me cautious when it came to playing sports. I learned I was a nerd. Okay, let's be honest. I knew I was a nerd before then. But it kind of brought it home. Okay? I'm sorry, I had to stop it to cough. Alright, so, could we have a third body paragraph? Where we talk about some more awesomeness? We absolutely could. Do we have to? No. So I'm going to put a question mark there. Okay? but we definitely have to have a conclusion, right? So let's draw our final circle. And in our conclusion, we want to restate our thesis. Same idea, different words. Okay? And then we also want to leave our reader thinking, ooh, maybe I should take a chance. Okay? So we want to leave the reader thinking. Okay? So there's two things that need to be in your conclusion. I'm going to give you an option here. For your next prompt, okay, failure can strengthen a person. You can either make this spider bubble map, or you can do an insider chart. Whichever you are more comfortable with. Okay? I wanted to walk you through the process for a bubble map in case the insider chart didn't work for you. But if this works for you, great. Use it for failure can strengthen a person. And we've already got this kind of filled out a little bit. Okay? However, if you're struggling with words for this particular spider, let's add a couple. Resolve, humble, and then I want to add passionate. I'm going to put that up here, make it easier for you to see. If you don't know what those words mean, I want you to look them up. Okay? But those are really good words that when you fail, they happen. And it's good. So, again, either create this spider bubble map that we made for explaining why it's necessary to take a chance, or make an insider chart. You choose. Okay? But I want one or the other. You've got plenty of space on your papers. Okay? I'm going to zoom out here for a moment. So we've used up this one and we've used up that one pretty much. And you did your spider map on the back of this third prompt. But you do have space down here to make an insider chart. Okay? So, before you leave class today, you need to have a completed second bubble map, or a completed bubble map and a completed insider chart. And if time allows, you need to begin writing your essay. But definitely by the end of class Thursday, you need to have a completed essay. Okay? If you have questions, you can message me on Remind. Be good. Thank you.